Hello and welcome to a new video. So today got a really nice and easy mod, something that's purely cosmetic, just makes the car look a little bit different. So we're going to find out what that is today. So what I have here is some fog light covers from ThatFogLightGuy. Yeah, from ThatFogLightGuy. So really good service. I think these were about £15. Ordered it on a Tuesday, arrived on a Thursday. Great. I even got a little email from the owner of the company saying thank you for the purchase, which I thought was a nice little touch. So we're going to try and fit these today and see what they look like before and after. But they are for off-road use because they do change the colour of your front lamps. So fog lights, rarely use them. To be fair, this is just a little bit fun. So colour, probably you can get a bit of a guess from the t-shirt. So let's get to it. So the fog light covers come here. Got two adhesive sticky dots and some instructions. Pause it if you want to read all that. But basics are clean it with an alcohol wipe. I'm going to use IPA. Cut the dots in half. Stick one half to either side, using the red side. Then peel off the white side and stick it to the fog light. So let's give it a shot. So first of all, got some isopropyl alcohol. We're just going to put this onto a microfiber and just clean up this to make sure there's no sealant or waxes on there. Now, as well as changing the colour of the fog lights, this should protect it from any stone chips or anything like that. Next up, world's biggest pair of scissors, and put one of these adhesives. There you go, you can actually see the actual filter or cover. It's a precision cut, and that will just go over the fog light. It says a knife can help, but I'm just going to try it with my fingernails. Right, it's come off eventually. First one on one side. Stick is like a jellied kind of thing. There we go. Right, we're going to stick this directly opposite, like that, like in the instructions. So let's get this fitted. So we're going to take those two white dots either side and stick it on there. Right. There you go. Put that in a second. Don't want to litter. Right, now this should go on fairly easily. Apply pressure. Oh, there is a nice fit on there. The job's done. Right, so excuse the dirty car, so you can see that is the standard fog light down there, and you can see the purple one just here, so looking very snazzy. So what we'll go and do is tonight we'll take some nighttime photos and see how it looks.